guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you what it's like to live on a farm. See you there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the animals. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all gotta behave. Literally, you better behave. 2 dogs right here. We got another dog right there. The German Shepherd is Sully. Black German Shepherd is Hulk. And the red dog is Chumley. Oh, shut up, I'm filming. You seriously gotta do this while I'm filming. And we got Lois. Hey, Lois. Got a cat. I can't tell which cat it is, but it looks like they ate all the food. So quit sniffing Lois's butt, Crack. That's not what we do in quarantine. Comment down below, because I would love to see how you guys react in quarantine. This is literally me right now, how I'm reacting in it. That dog right there, that's Lulu. Now back to the barn. Oh, this is really gonna be surprising for yoga. That's the pig, Wally. These are the horses. The brown one's Rowdy and the black one's Haley. Just ignore the retarded dogs, they're trying to get attention. Sorry guys, the focus is on the horses, not y'all. Sorry guys, they sure as hell don't know how to act. Y'all all act like 3-year-olds. Oh, daggone. So you don't have to pee on everything. God, he's gotta do it too. You can see we got the flowers. Beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, so right now, we are now entering the best part of the farm life, the beautiful land. And you guys are gonna love this, especially if you live in the boring city. Here it is guys. Dinosaurs. This is probably gonna be the last stuff on Earth. This is called moss. I don't know what kind it is, but I just know it's been here ever since the dinosaurs have been on this planet. This is a snake hole. Time to run away. I remember riding my bike down here. Me and my sister, when we were friends, we used to ride our bikes down here. And when Bree came over, which is one of our closest friends, pretty much the closest friend, she would help us pick blackberries, and we would literally spend a night. She would spend a night at our house. We get so excited, we just wear ourselves out, like running in the woods, riding bicycles, playing softball, and so yeah, she would literally help us pick blackberries. And when she slept over, we were so happy. We would make blackberry cobbler and put vanilla ice cream on top. That was so exciting. Hopefully, when this quarantine mess is over, we could do that again. Okay, now is the best part. Running down the hill! Okay, so that is the end of our journey. I will do a cat video later. Well, that's life on a farm. Not all of it, but as much as I'm going to show you. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Remember, all hate comments will be deleted and reported. Thank you.